Hi, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Takstar SGC-598 microphone. I bought this I was looking for a microphone to do these videos with, and the Rode was my first choice, but this one was only £25 from Amazon, so I thought I would give it a go. Let's see what you get in the box. So it comes in a nice box. Firstly, it's really, the packaging is really exceptional, really, to be honest. I was quite surprised by the packaging. Inside you get the usual, it's in Chinese and English, instructions and warranty. Again, beautifully packaged. You get a little velvet bag. Who doesn't like a velvet bag? So you get the microphone, some extra dampening parts and the wind resistance. You also get a battery, however it looks like my battery is missing. Never mind, it's only because the beauty of this one is it takes just a AA battery, so there's no problem there if yours came without a battery as well. But the battery should come supplied. It's got standard 3.5mm jack, stereo jack. This one's got a plus 10 decibel gain switch on it as well, on and off, and luckily as well it's got the power light, which also gives you an indication when it's running out of power. So for 25 quid I thought well worth picking one up and giving it a try, and that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so the audio on this is being recorded on a Sony A77 camera with the built-in microphone. It is also being recorded on the Takstar, which is going into a Zoom H1. So the audio from both, I will switch between the two so you can see the difference in what you get. So as I say, the Takstar was just £25. I bought mine from Amazon, but you can get them from other great retailers. So the audio levels haven't been tweaked in the Zoom H1, they're coming straight from the microphone, and the audio levels on the camera are what you'd expect from the standard microphone on the camera. So that's the audio bit. However, I'll move it around now. So as you can see, plug straight into the Zoom. Build quality is really quite good. It's a plastic body, plastic, but it's aluminium build on the actual mic itself. Seems really good. Obviously until I've played with it for a bit longer I won't know what it's like. However, hope this gives you an idea of what the audio difference makes from a pretty cheap microphone. Saves me spending 100 and odd on the Rode. Anyway, that's my review. Hope you liked it. Thanks a lot. Bye.